She's cute. She's cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be slaying this lace wig, and in today's video this hair is featured from AliPearl. I just wanted to show you guys the box that it came in. This is the box right here. On the back it has hair care and maintenance, which is really great to tell you guys how to take care of the hair. Inside came a care and maintenance card as well, and with a wig cap. As you guys can see, I did use one today, and it did come with a silk bag. Black is one of my favorite colors, so appreciate you for real. And also an elastic band in case you guys want to go glueless. But of course, if you guys have watched my last video, you guys know that I have not been using glue lately. So if you guys want to see how I slayed this wig, especially without glue, just keep on watching. As y'all can see in the corner, I have the hair chilling over here. I'm just going to show you guys what the hair looks like on my head with the lace on it. So yeah. Okay you guys, so this is what the wig looks like on my head. I didn't plug anything in the front, so this is how the wig pretty much came plugged. So what you guys see thin in the front is how it came. I do want to tell you guys that this wig construction is a little bit weird. It's like the lace is sewn, well the frontal is sewn going backwards instead of straight across. So the ear tabs, you kind of have to stretch a little bit forward. Try to do that without ripping the lace. To avoid ripping the lace, I did end up cutting what was supposed to go over my ear. I just cut it right back there, so it's easier just to tuck the hair behind my ear and have the lace fall where it's supposed to be. But I'll have all the details about what I got on the screen or in the description box down below. So instead of wasting time and talking, because y'all know I talk a lot and I talk super slow, so let me go ahead and apply this wig. I'm going to actually cut the lace off with an eyebrow razor because it gets into those little ridges, and I'm not gonna cut it off on my head, but I'm gonna cut this off camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and start applying it. I'm going to just use my Got To Be spray today to apply it because that's quick and we gotta get a move on it. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, this is pretty much the next day here, but this is how the hair is looking. So what we're gonna do is bring her back to life. So what I'm going to do is just take my water to start off with, because all curly hair just needs to start off with a little bit of water. Okay, so she looks a little bit dull right now. Still good. For some reason, it still has a curl pattern up under, like the top of it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but up under right here, but the top is like all stretched out. So water and let's go. Look at that shrinkage, okay? Natural hair vibes for sure. Now, what I'm going to do next is put some mousse in it. You guys can use any mousse you want to, it don't really matter. I'm using some Suave because this is what I have, and I'm gonna use it until it's gone. Yeah, I'm only using this because it smells good. I like for my hair to smell really, really good. I don't like to use heavy products on my curly hair unless it's just like super thick curly hair. I'm just finger combing through. I'm not using any brushes or any combs because this hair does not need it at all. Make sure you guys wash your hair before putting it on your head, because I tried that one time and my face broke out, like, and my scalp was itching and it was terrible. So y'all wash y'all weave before y'all put it in your head, because we don't want no problems, okay? So I'm just going to let the hair dry on its own. So you guys can see the hair. This is what it looks like. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is just go home. Can't talk today. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just put on some makeup, you know, get myself together, and then yeah, that's pretty much it.